Hi, Mushroom.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
I'm gonna cook for my baby.
Oh,
Fish.
what are
This
these?
fish is from Mekong River.
Right here?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know what's name.
Okay. Can you
So-
tell us what's happening?
It's like I'm gonna put this like how to say this?
Oil.
Oil. Okay. Put it. It's, don't need to put much.
Okay.
Just like yeah.
Like so.
Yeah. Just make sure that it's hot.
Hot. Very
Yeah.
hot. Okay.
Very hot. Then you need to wait until it's oil. Hot.
So while we wait, should we come to the papaya table and tell them what's going on? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the papaya table.
Yeah, there's like
Honey, papaya table. Tell them what's going on.
papaya.
Yeah, walk to
Papaya
her.
is like okay. Until with like
Yes.
papaya.
Okay, what is that?
What you doing?
Yeah, tell us what she's doing right now.
How to say is like
Fuck Mekong.
sapakor. Sapakung. Then she needs to slice
Yeah.
to make it smaller. Then we can easy to eat.
Okay. Alright. What is this dish called?
She's gonna make a papaya salad.
Oh, wow. Is it a spicy dish?
Yeah.
Spicy dish?
Yes. If you want to, you can put a lot of how to say it's like a chili.
Peppers. Yeah.
Then I think okay, oil is hot.
Oh, my nephew's gonna go throw nets on the river and catch us some fish. Alright, back to mushroom. Kale? What are you doing? That's yummy.
Yeah, it's like you don't need to put this like that's not long because
Yeah.
it's already dry.
Right, yeah.
Just make sure that's already cooked.
Awesome. I cannot wait to eat this. My
Yeah.
gosh. That's so cool.
Just how to say it's like yeah, you need to do like this and like make sure that it's not burned. Yes, because it's bigger.
We don't want that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot eat that.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yes, I know I'm professional. Okay, right now it's like I'm done with cooking fish. Let's see. It's yeah.
Wow.
Look good, right?
Yes, amazing.
Then we're gonna taste it. Yeah, just it's kind of fat, but it's not fat, you know. It's like they like how to say dry. Just only one day. Then you're gonna put it on it to make it still fresh. Yeah, it's
Really
nice.
good. You eat it with your beer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers. Wow, yummy.